What's up, guys? In this video, I got a great one for you. I'm going to show you how you can actually select text from a picture you took that has text on it. So what we're going to do is open up our camera. My camera is right here, but if you cannot find yours, just swipe down from the middle of your screen, like so. Type in the word camera, hit the icon right here. Okay, now we're going to take a picture of this Rain Man video. Okay, now we can access the photo in two ways. I can click right here and it's going to open it up. But another way you can access it is by swiping down or accessing your photos. My icon's right here, but you can always find it like this. Type in photos, click here. As you can see, there's mine, the recent picture we took. Click that. Okay, so now as you can see, there's all these text. You have like on the top here's a special edition. You have Dustin Hoffman, Tom Cruise, Rain Man, Best Picture, 1998. So let's say I want to select the title of the picture, the title of the movie, which is Rain Man. I'm going to double click on the word rain. As you can see, it selected the text. It recognized it as text. Now I'm going to expand the selection all the way like that and click copy. Okay, so I'm going to head on over to my main screen and I want to paste it on a notepad. My notes are right here, but again, you can swipe down from the middle of your screen, type in the word notes and click on the icon. Okay, so I had already a sample text prepped here, and I hit that. Now I'm going to click anywhere on the screen like that, click again, so you get the prompts, and hit the word paste. And there you go, it says Rain Man. It's amazing. Now we're gonna do another example to select all the text, okay? So I'm going to head on over back to the picture, right here. I'm just going to hit anywhere to reset it. Okay, so I'm going to double click on the word rain again. It can be any other text, but in this example, we're gonna hit the word rain. Now, on the prompt right here, you have the select all option. Hit that, and as you can see, it selected all the text that it recognized. Just know that there might be some text that it doesn't recognize. It all depends on how well the picture was taken and the lighting, the quality of the picture itself. But in this case, apparently it did take into account all the text. Now, just to notice also on the top text where it says special edition, as you can see, the text is somewhat spaced out. We're going to see if that doesn't generate some sort of problem once we paste it, but let's give it a try. Okay, now that everything is selected, I'm going to hit anywhere where there's a selection just one time so we can get the prompts. I'm going to hit copy. Okay, I'm going to head on over back to our notes. Okay, I'm going to hit right next to the right side of the cursor where it's flashing. Just click once so we can get the prompts and hit the paste button. And there it is. Now, this is interesting. Like, this is where we started pasting right here. As you can see, the word special edition was a little bit troublesome to copy because it was spaced out. These are just some of the things you might run into, just so you know. But the rest of it does seem to have been copied perfectly well. You have Dustin Hoffman, the actor, Tom Cruise, the title of the movie, Rain Man, and as you can see, it says Damn Pan Best Picture. I'm not sure if the Damn Pan is correctly spelled. Let's check. Oh, okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, there you go. Since there's the text right there, just above best picture. As you can see, it's very small. So, and it's sort of tightly knit. It also has some periods between the letters. That's why it's having a little bit of trouble recognizing it. So, just gonna go back. Just so take that into account. If you're going to try to recognize text from a picture, make sure you have the picture taken the best way possible. You can also zoom in so you can actually get the text recognized a lot more easier. So that's about it, guys. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next edition. Cheers.